Good morning. Welcome back to Tripping with Mitch. It's 6:30. Had a really good sleep, but as soon as it's light out, I get up. So I've been up probably since about 5:30. I was pretty exhausted from yesterday's climb. I'm pretty sore this morning. So it was really nice to have this comfy spot by this awesome lake. Got a bit of clouds this morning. That's okay. It'll keep it a bit cooler. We've got a bit of a dusty drive this morning. On Highway 19 it's called. We're going to be heading up, we're just past Gold River, heading up towards Was, and then we're going to make our way to Telegraph Cove. Apparently in Telegraph Cove there's a spot where killer whales clean themselves. One of the few spots that this happens. So let's go check that out. Let's get on the road. Apparently it's not just clouds, it just started to rain. Hopefully it's just going to be a sprinkle. At least this will keep the dust down. Back when I was a teenager, we used to tree plant, and this is what you'd work in. Steep, full of cut down trees and branches and bugs, and they say find soil, so you're digging. Hard work, but pays well if you work hard. Well, it's pouring rain and pouring for the last few hours. I'm in Telegraph Cove and I'm about to go whale watching. Let's go see some orcas. Done. We saw some orcas from a distance. I'm gonna go see if I can find a logging road that'll take me to the beach where they apparently scratched themselves. Let's give it a try. unfortunately, the road to that bay where the whales clean themselves was going to be quite extensive and probably difficult to find and long out of my way. And since I got to get to the ferry tomorrow, I don't have time to mess around. So I've moved on and camping in this little rest area. So that'll be it for today. And we'll see you next time on Tripping with Mitch.